Hello everyone, I'm Sima, on behalf of Learn With Us channel. Today's video is all about Canva's terms and tools. Let's start, without wasting time. First, we will look the top blue panel. From File, you can change the title for your design. You can create anything, like logo, book cover, Facebook cover, story, certificate, and much more. You can also show rulers, guides, margins, print bleed, and more options. Resize is an option for Pro version. As we are using Canva free version, we don't need this option. You can also download and share your design on social media. From Template, you can search any template by color, or any ready template given in below. Keep watching the video. You can use effects, filter. Also you can adjust, crop. You can also transfer this style design to animate. Along with that, you can copy style and use transparency. You can upload any of your image, videos, or audio. You can also import images, videos and audios from device and social medias. You can also search and use photo from here. Here is a lot of options in elements such as lines, shapes, frames, stickers, and etc., etc. You can use text font and styles, audio songs, videos, and you can adjust multiple types of backgrounds by colors and with ready background images. Thanks for watching.